Patrizio.
Patrizio William. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
So let's go around the Porsche here and follow the GTR. Put brakes first and around. Let's go. Excellent job. So Patrizio, yeah. So answer your question. I mean, whatever you feel more comfortable. I'm gonna be telling you when to brake, when to use the gas, right? On how to do it. It's really your call.
Sounds good.
Whatever you feel more comfortable. As you attended class, I want to go over a few important information with you here. Look at the cones on your side. They're gonna tell you what to do on the racetrack. Yellow will be our lift cones. Red will be our braking cones. Orange will be our turning cones. I'm gonna be helping you with my hand gestures. Lift on yellow, brake on red. Turn orange, my side, your side. If there is any passing, I'm gonna hold the steering wheel. I'm gonna either give a point by or we're gonna get a point by. You keep driving as you would normally, right? I'll initiate that pass, I'll make it easy for you.
Sounds good.
All the mirrors are for me, I got your back.
All right.
Look straight ahead, you drive where you look, right?
All right.
In fact, I'm gonna be often asking you to wait for the orange. Aim for the orange, be patient until the orange. Those orange cones will be your turning cones. Most people tend to turn early, right? We want to wait for those orange cones to then have that perfect turning radius.
All right.
The cones will be on the side of the track you should be driving. So if you see cones on your side, drive on that side. If you see on my side, drive on my side. It's very rare that you would drive in the middle of the racetrack.
Okay.
Okay? Want to stay 3 feet away from the edge of the track for me for safety reasons. Most important instruction of the day, let's have some fun.
Oh yeah.
There you go, that's why you're here, right?
Totally.
And my job is to make sure you have a great time. Coach is just part of it. This is my home track. I can probably drive here blindfolded, so it's going to be a lot of fun.
Very nice.
Yeah, this track is just amazing. It offers a bit of everything.
Yeah.
It is not going to be the track that you're going to hit the highest top speeds, but it offers it all, right? From amazing ass to a tight hairpin, some kinked straights, elevation, blind curves, off camber turns.
A little bit of everything.
Yeah, it's amazing. It's really.
Yeah, I always wanted to drive here.
Yep.
I've been watching some of the videos. I've been practicing a little bit of my sim racing on the same track.
Yeah. Well, we're happy to have you. Thanks for choosing Xtreme Xperience here in Sonoma. Yep. It's going to be my pleasure to guide you around the racetrack. We're going to build a little bit of a gap. This is a little too much of a gap. That guy's waiting too much there. So as soon as this GTR goes over the last cone there, we're going to be rolling that gas already, okay?
That will be pretty much now.
Right now, exactly. Yeah. You can start slowly going on. Yep, you can keep going. Excellent job. Right there, beautiful. That's it. Good listener, I can tell already.
Let's go for it.
All right, as we go on up the hill here, I want to stay on your side of the track. You're going to see 2 green cones, a red cone and an orange cone. Stay 3 feet away from the edge of the track for me. We'll aim for the orange, don't brake. Orange to green, bring it in. Around the green you go. Roll up that gas pedal, track all the way to that orange cone on your side. Excellent job from Patrizio. From orange on your side to orange on my side. Just brake a little bit of straight line, release. Around the green we go on your side. Wait for the orange. 3, 2, 1. Bring it in around the green on my side. Roll up that gas pedal for me. Gas all the way down the hill. Now I wish to lift. And brake for me. Brake, brake, brake. A little more braking. Good job. Release. Around we go. The green here on my side. Speak up the pace again. Roll up that red. The gas all the way to the yellow cones. And keep here. Brake for me on the red. Brake, brake, brake. And release. Around the green we go. That's past the skies on my side. Keep rolling on that gas. Excellent job. Okay. Keep that speed as no more. That's it. Green on my side. Wait for the orange. Green on your side. And be a little patient. 3, 2, 1. Now bring it in and green. Roll out that gas again. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down to the orange on my side. Orange on my side. Stay back. Release. No more brake. Around the green you go. Green on my side. Orange on your side. All the way down. Gas. around the green we go. Pull up that gas. Let's get a little closer to them so they know where we're going to pass. And lift. And brake. Brake. And release. Around the green we go. Alright, let's keep going. Keep going a little closer to them. Green on my side. Wait for the orange. Green on your side. Wait for it. 3, 2, 1. Now bring it in. Keep rolling on that gas pedal. Keep rolling on the gas. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Now it's going to get the gas. After the turn there, wait for the orange. And go on my side. Roll on the gas for me. Excellent. Excellent. Fast skills. Keep going. Alright. Brake the straight line. Brake harder now. Brake better. Brake more. More brake. And release. Around the green we go. Good job. Slowly on that gas. Go full on gas now. All the way from orange to green on your side. Then to orange on my side. Good job. From orange to green. Not making no more acceleration. Keep it there. Now brake straight line. You release and turn. Excellent. Green on my side to orange on her side. All the way to the orange from your side to my side. Brake on a straight line for me. Release. Around the green on your side. Wait for the orange to the green on my side. And gas all the way to the yellow cones right there. Lift here. Brake on a straight line for me. Excellent braking skills. A little more brake. Brake. Release. Around the green we go. Yes again, my friend. Let's do this for Pricey. One more time. Left. Brake. And release. Good enough. Around the green we go. Excellent job. Around the green on your side there. A little more gas. That's it. Maintain it right there. Green on my side. Wait for the orange. Green on your side. Nice and smooth. Wait there. 3, 2, 1. Now bring it in around the green. And roll up that gas. Full on gas. All the way down. One last time. All the way down. Put that orange on my side. Orange on my side. Orange on your side. Orange just a little bit. Bring it up. It's around the green we go. One last time. Turn all the way out. And lift.
That was freaking
job.
good. Yes.
Good job.
That was great. Thanks so much, man.
Very welcome. Very good driving skills.
Thanks. Good teacher.
Yeah, thanks. Yeah, I'll tell you, most instructors will probably feel uncomfortable with you. But I had a good time. I enjoyed it. And I was in control. You saw that when you were about to make a mistake, I was right there. I was right there.
Yeah. That's fun, man.
So,
That's fun.
great job.
That's fun. Thanks.
Yeah, I love this track.
Yeah, it's
so much fun.
It's way much more fun than the one in Vegas.
Yeah.
And this car, I mean, I love
Yeah.
it. It's such a good car.
Yeah, all these cars in there is amazing. Probably the one that I would not recommend would be the GTR, but
It's too much, right? It's aggressive. It's kind of
it's all over the place.
Yeah.
You know, it's not compared to these cars. It
Uh-huh.
smells gas inside. That's the worst. It smells gasoline inside.
I see. If you give me one advice, what would it be? Thanks.
Tough choice. I like the Lamborghini, the Z06 and the Porsches. Not in this order. It really depends on what your preference is. The Z06 is a phenomenal car, amazing. The Lamborghini, it's so planted, it's rough, it's like an angry car. And the Porsches are incredible, right?
Next time it's gonna be a Porsche.
Yeah, yeah. So do the GT4 RS next time you're gonna do the Porsche.
And in terms of my driving, what would you tweak?
You know, you did very good. My suggestion is, you saw, let's get a little closer to the red cones and bring it around the Porsche there. And that's it, good enough. Double pedal shifting to neutral, both together. Yeah, release those brakes for me, make sure it doesn't roll. Perfect, fantastic.